Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar and to Wish Wednesday. Of course, it's Wednesday, and we have you, Terrence Block here. You wish for this song from Jamie FOXX called Overdose. So this one is special for you, Terrence Block. Thank you for wish this song here, and this one we're going a little bit old school, and I love that. So bringing more old school here on Gordon Guitar. So Jamie FOXX, Overdose, let's go. Easiest way of handling a song, in my opinion, is to set a capo here on the 3rd fret. And with that, we have 4 chords that goes in the same order. And we also have these notes that will be playable with the capo set here on the 3rd fret. So with the capo on, we will go with the chords first. We have the F major 7. So that will be 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st on B, and open E. This is F major 7. Then we have the D minor 7. So that will be open D, 2nd G, 1st B, and 1st E. And I usually just place a little bar there on the 1st fret on the B and E string. So that's the D minor 7. Then we have a bar chord, it's the A sharp sus version here. So that means you have a bar here on the 1st fret from the A string and down. That's all strings except from the last E here in the bass. So 5 strings from bottom and up like this. And then you just add a 3rd fret on D and 3rd fret on G. And the final chord will be A minor. So that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. So that is the chord progression through the entire song. F major, D minor 7, A sharp, A minor. Alright, so there you have it. Before we go into the notes, we will look at the basics first. That's the strumming. So we will think pair of chords here. That means one strumming pattern will cover 2 chords. So we'll look at the transition now from the F major to the D minor, and then you apply the same principle for the A sharp to A minor. So the first part, it's played for the F major. You're gonna play down, down, up, clap. So down, down, up, clap. Okay, and then you switch to the next chord, in this case the D minor 7, and play part 2, and that will be down, down, up, clap, down, up. So okay, so down and then a shorter break there, and then down, up, clap, down, up. And then you go on in the same way with the A sharp and play part 1, down, down, up, clap, and then A minor, the part 2, down, down, up, clap, down, up. So it will be like this, slower. So there you have the basics for the song. Now you can add this melody as well. So it will be played in the same way. We just switch chords. That means we'll switch the bass notes depending on what chord we're playing. So we're going with F major first, and the bass note here will be the 3rd fret on D string, this one. And then you're gonna play that together with 1st fret B string, then open B and open G. There you have the 3 notes, that melody you can say, and then you just switch the bass notes. So the first one was F major, 3rd fret on D string, and and then you play the D minor 7. The new bass note now will be the open D string. You play that again together with the first fret B, and then open B, open G. Then we have the A sharp bass note will be on the first fret A string. You play that together with the first fret B string, open B, open G, and then the final chord, the A minor, you have the open A string there as the new bass together with the first B and open B, open G. So the melody will be the same. It's the first B string. You play that together with the different bass notes for different chords, and then you open B and open G play. So third fret D, open D, first A, open A. Okay? So you can also try to get some of these notes into strumming. This is a little bit next level. It's not necessary. It's just a way of challenge yourself, if you can call it that. You don't need that in any way, but you could do it. I can show you one example of how it could sound, and you will hit some notes of these notes here and there. It's the easiest way to hit the notes in perhaps the F major or A minor or so. It's hard on the A sharp because you have a bar there. So anyway, it could sound something like this. So the strumming here is what you really need for this song. So this pretty much covers Jamie Foxx Overdose. So I hope you, especially Terrence Block, enjoyed this. This was for you and for all you Jamie Foxx fans. So keep on wish here on Gordon Guitar. Perhaps it's your song that shows up here next time. And I read all your comments and I see what fits the most here for this channel. And if you're new to this channel, feel free to mention that. Perhaps I can bring up your song as well. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys, and till next time, play tuned.